welcome back to another season of our crafting. Um, we are gonna be talking about this earring stand we're gonna make. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's see, in this earring stand, we do have the earring stand itself. Gonna get some plastic grid. And this craft is for first timers. You know, if you're not easy with making everything, going too in depth into your craft, this is a good starting point because it's so simple. I'll teach you show you some personalization options that I've seen. So to assemble this earring stand, this is the picture frame that I ordered. It's pretty simple. It comes packaged like this, and you would just screw on the bottom. Simple. So there is a little cheat to this. You can pull this out. I have my plastic here. And we're just gonna mark off how big it is. All right. Scissors. All right. And it should fit perfectly. And that is your earring stand. So simple, but I did have some other options. So I did include quite a bit of this so you can try other colors. I used some leftover spray paint to give it a different color. I actually have some leftover washi tape that I'm gonna go ahead and stick on there. Give it a more personalized touch. Well, like I said, you can make this your own. You can buy some little jewel stickers, dog stickers if you like. But yeah, this is for anybody who is delving into the crafting world. And make sure to check your craft bags for the upcoming events this season. And check out our in-person craft nights. And make sure you check out Creative Bug because it has loads of ideas on crafting and just, it's amazing. Thank you.